Hi guys, this is Tech Stuff, and today we are going to discuss about the side effect of overdoing the gym. Now, I'm not against people who go to gym. I'm not against anyone. If you are motivated to go to gym, that's the best thing you can do. If you are not motivated to go to gym, there are plenty of YouTube videos, trust me, plenty of YouTube videos which will give you the motivation to go to gym. But in this video, I am going to basically put a light on this issue, that what happens when you overdo the gym. So this is my personal experience, guys, so that is why I am sharing this. So once you start going to gym, you become motivated. You see other people doing the gym. For example, you are just able to push 5 kilo dumbbell, and then you see some girl, she is also doing 5 kilo dumbbell, and then you think, oh, am I doing too less? And then you see the guys, he is doing 20 kilo dumbbell, and then you think, okay, I think I should increase my weight. And that's the very biggest mistake of your life. Don't do that. It's my personal opinion, it's my personal experience. On the basis of my personal experience, I'm telling you guys, do not overdo the gym. Always seek professional advice from a trained trainer, or if you are not able to take some professional advice, it's okay, just follow me. See, gym, when you go to gym, your muscles, when you are actually, I'm talking, when you start the gym, basically your muscles, your body is not used to lifting weights, and that is the moment when you start going to gym, your body is actually preparing your muscles, your system is basically preparing, central nervous system is preparing for this work. And if you are seeing some guys who are doing a very very heavy gym, they have taken their time. You need to understand, they have taken their time to reach up to that level. So whatever weight you are using, do keep doing it until and unless you feel that, okay, now I can do 20 reps more. For example, if you are using some weight, maybe it's a 5 kilo, 10 kilo, any weight, and you do the reps. So in the starting, you will feel, oh, it's nothing. But at the end of 10th rep, if you are not able to go for another rep, then that's it. That's the weight you need. But if you are going to, if you are able to do 11th rep also, then it's fine. But you should only increase the weight when you think that with the same weight you can go up to the 20th rep with the same weight. If you feel yes, you can go up till then definitely you should increase the weight. What I did was, one of my friend just told me that you are doing gym from past 2 years, this is very less weight, according to that you should do more. And guys, I did the biggest mistake of my life. I increased the weight, and now my collarbone, the muscle above the collarbone, it is overstretched, and I have been prescribed not bed rest basically, but I am not able to go to the gym from past 1.5 months. And trust me, guys, trust me, that feeling of doing less weight but regularly going to the gym, and this feeling where you are not able to go to the gym at all, or you can go to the gym but you cannot you do the upper body exercises, only you can do running and lower body exercises. This feeling is the worst feeling. I regret. And the purpose of making this video is that, guys, if you are motivated to gym, that's absolutely awesome thing, but please don't overdo the gym. It's my advice to not overdo the gym. Increase very gradually. There is no shame even if some girl or some lean guy is able to do more of weights and you are not able to. Doesn't matter. Just stick to your weight, and when you really feel that yes, now you are able to do till 20 reps with the same weight, then surely you should increase. Increase is an important aspect if you are into bodybuilding, but please don't compare with people who are doing gym regularly from past some 5 6 years. Just don't. There is no shortcut to gym, no shortcut to growing muscles. It takes time. Give it the time. Enjoy the feeling of freshness which you get after doing the gym. I'm sure you get that feeling and you are addicted to that feeling. But overdoing the gym or overdoing the weights basically kills that feeling and brings complete exhaustion, which is not at all enjoyable. And just give your muscles the time they want to grow. So that is my advice to you. And keep doing the gym, keep up the good work, and thanks for watching this video. And thumbs up if you like this video, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. Bye. And also share this video to people if you think that they are overdoing the gym. Bye.